to keep it simple, this is our video on lipids. And remember that you want to know the monomers, the examples, and functions. So the monomer for lipids is glycerol and fatty acids. And our usual example that we show is a glycerol with 3 fatty acids, a triglyceride. And in the video down below on my website, I have that shown. So the examples are fats, waxes, and steroid hormones. And the fats we usually talk about are the ones that we eat, like olive oil, butter, vegetable oils, and the ones that are in regular foods like avocados and coconuts. The waxes are the kinds on plants, like the outside of cucumbers and apples, and the waxes in our ears, which serve as a water barrier. And then steroid hormones, estrogen and testosterone. So the function, super important, long-term energy. So if you think about butter and how it stays with you. So I wrote here, butter. So long-term energy, not short-term energy like carbohydrates. So we store fat in our body, and you have to have a certain amount of fat in your body in order to function. The water barrier, like we talked about with waxes. So I put a little dude here with an umbrella to remind you of that. So it's a water barrier. So the waxes on the outside of fruits like apples keeps the juiciness inside. And estrogen and testosterone. So I put a little girly hat here and a little man hat here to remind you that testosterone is the male hormone and estrogen is the female hormone, although males and females have both. So females have more estrogen and males have more testosterone, but males and females have both. And you need to know the difference between saturated and unsaturated fats. Saturated fats are solids and unsaturated fats are liquids, and that's the basics.